Hey drone friends, this is Adam at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday and welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. I have 3 stories to share with you this week. Our first story will cover the recent launch of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Our next story talks about how drone services dominated the commercial drone market in 2023. And finally, we discuss how the recently leaked mystery drone has turned out to be the DJI Matrice 3D. But first, we wanted to introduce our new Drone Fails Challenge. At UAV Coach, we believe that every crash is an opportunity to learn, improve, and grow as a drone pilot. That's why we're thrilled to introduce our Drone Fails Challenge. Every month, we're going to pick 3 winners to get free access to our Drone Pilot Skill Builder course. To enter, just share a video of your drone crashing or acting strange, or a video of someone else's drone falling or failing. Winners will be selected by the UAV Coach community. Follow the link below to get all of the details and to submit your video to our challenge. #UAVC Drone Fails. Also, here are some job listings in the drone industry this week for anyone interested. Down Money Media is looking for a freelance videographer in New Jersey. Spurs Sports and Entertainment is looking for an event security drone pilot in San Antonio, Texas. Home Tour Vision is looking for a real estate photographer and videographer in Valley Forge, Pennsylvania. And J. Pellin Videography is looking for an experienced wedding videographer in Charlotte, North Carolina. With that said, let's fly in. After weeks of leaks, DJI has finally released the Mini 4 Pro. The newest version in the Mini series weighs less than 250 grams, as well as all the other drones in the series do, which means they do not need to be registered with the FAA. The Mini 4 Pro allows for true vertical shooting, which makes it a great social media camera drone, and it's built as easy to fly. It also comes with active track 360 degrees and a night mode for shooting at night. Pricing for the Mini 4 starts at $759. Here are its standout features. It has a flight time of 45 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, which is an upgrade, or 34 minutes with the standard Intelligent Flight Battery. It boasts a 4K 60 FPS HDR camera with vertical shooting. For transmission quality and range, it delivers 1080p and 60 FPS FHD live feeds up to 12.4 miles or 20 kilometers away with 04 video transmission. And finally, it has omnidirectional obstacle avoidance with 4 wide-angle vision sensors and a pair of downward vision sensors. DJI seems to have been putting a lot of time and attention into the Mini series, and this new version appears no different. The Mini 4 Pro is jam-packed with awesome features and is seriously rivaling other professional drones, not to mention its incredibly small size and price point. Our next story talks about Dronel's recent 227-page drone market report that contains a 7-year forecast for the drone industry, which includes some major predictions for where we're headed. Here are some of the highlights from the report. The fastest growing part of the drone industry may be a surprise to some. Cargo, courier, and warehousing uses are growing the most rapidly, driven by a growing demand for drone delivery and efficient inventory management. Drone mapping and surveying is also a strong sector of the market with a worth of $10 billion globally for 2023. But maybe the biggest takeaway of the report is that the commercial drone market is set to grow at a steady pace with a compound annual growth rate of 7.7%, while the consumer drone market will essentially remain stagnant with a compound annual growth rate of 0.03%. Essentially, the commercial drone market is growing strong, while the consumer market is projected to flatline. Follow the link below for the full report from Drone Industry Insights. And finally, recent rumors started flying around, no pun intended, after a large commercial drone appeared alongside leaks of a prototype of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. The large drone didn't have foldable arms, and it was only called an industrial drone in the leaks. Now it looks like we know what the drone is, the DJI Matrice 3D. New leaks show that the 3D is a smaller Matrice drone with an attached RTK module and that it comes with a tri-camera system similar to the one found on the Mavic 3 Enterprise Thermal. This means it will have a wide camera, a zoom camera, and a thermal camera. And before we wrap up, don't forget to submit your best drone fails below to have a chance at winning free access to our Drone Pilot Skill Builder course. All right, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Also, show us some love by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. And now I'll pass it off to you. What do you think of the new DJI Mini 4 Pro? And what about some of the highlights from the Drone L drone market report? Comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you all have a great weekend, and to all of our drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.